Hi everybody, my name is Stacia and I do makeup, and in today's video we are going to do a makeup look inspired by Lisa from the K-pop group BLACKPINK. So guys, if you've been watching my channel for a little bit, you know that I am a really big K-pop fan, and I've actually done a look inspired by a K-pop idol before. Check that video out if you guys haven't already, but in this video I'm going to be doing an entire makeup look inspired by BLACKPINK Lisa. So this is the look that I'm going to try and do today, and it is basically from her latest album that came out a little bit earlier this year. It's her album cover, and I saw this photo and I was just like, oh my gosh, I need to do that. I need to try and do that. So that is what we're going to be doing in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump right into the video by putting on our base. And first we're going to put on some primer. So guys, you know the routine. After that, I have to go ahead and put on some foundation. And guys, BLACKPINK is like my original K-pop group that I found. I actually started liking K-pop a couple years ago in 2020, and the first K-pop group that I ever discovered was actually BLACKPINK, and I love their music, I love their vibes so much, and it basically just like opened me to the world that is K-pop, and I'm really grateful that I discovered them because I still listen to their music to this day. And yeah, the group was just really special to me, so doing this entire makeup look inspired by one of the members and their solo careers is basically just amazing. So I really wanted to do this look justice, and I'm actually really proud of it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also guys, let me know who is your bias in BLACKPINK. Honestly, I have to say it might actually be Lisa. That's probably why I picked her to do this look, and I saw that photo and I really was just like, wow, I need to do that for myself. I need to see how this looks on, first of all, my skin color, my skin type, and yeah, I'm really proud of how it turned out. Now I am just powdering my face to make it all matte, as I do in all of my videos. And after that, I will move on to the eyeshadow, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so now I'm actually going to be bronzing my face with this Sunlight bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and do some bronzing. Alright guys, it is now time for the eyeshadow. So as you can see in the picture, it is very bronzy, it is very goldish. So I'm going to use this palette, and I'm going to use this, and maybe even some of that to capture that gold sunlit look. Guys, who else is obsessed with this eye look? I look like I could debut right now. Somebody call up an agency, because I think I'm ready to debut in a K-pop group. So next up, I want to go ahead and mimic her bottom lashes. So it looks like to me in the photo that she has individual lashes placed on her bottom lashes, but unfortunately as of right now I do not have any individual lashes. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this mascara, and let's see how this turns out. I'm going to go ahead and move over to the next step. So I'm actually going to put on some highlighter on my nose, and I'm actually going to do some inner corner highlight. Alright guys, the final step in our makeover is that if you look closely In the reference photo, Lisa actually has this tiny little gemstone right here, and I love gemstones, so I'm gonna go ahead and put one on my face exactly where she has hers. So I just got this lash glue, and to put on the gems, I'm just gonna put a little dot right there, get some tweezers and your sheet of gems and put it right there. Alright guys, our Blackpink Lisa makeover is done. Here is the finished look. I'm really proud of it. I really like how the eyeshadow turned out and the lips. Honestly guys, I'm ready for my debut. I could debut in a group right now. I'm really happy with this look, and I hope you guys are really happy with it too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if I should do any other videos inspired by any other K-pop idols or celebrities or anything like that. Have a great day guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!